Earth might be our home, but did you know there are planets out there that could be even better suited for life? These so-called super-habitable worlds have the potential to outshine Earth in supporting life. Maybe it's larger, with wider oceans teeming with bizarre and beautiful creatures. From bigger oceans to milder climates, these planets might just be the ultimate homes for future civilizations. Let's dive in! Our first stop takes us about 1,400 light-years away from Earth to a planet called Kepler 452b, a planet astronomers affectionately call Earth's cousin. Kepler 452b is just slightly larger than Earth, what we call a super-Earth, and it orbits a star very similar to our own Sun. Kepler 452b resides in what we call the habitable zone, also known as the Goldilocks zone. This area around a star is just the right distance for liquid water to exist on a planet's surface, not too hot, not too cold. Just right. Kepler 452b orbits its star in about 385 days, just a tad longer than Earth's orbit. Imagine a planet with a similar year to ours, perhaps with mild seasons and possibly vast oceans. The next step is to study its atmosphere, to see if it has the right ingredients for life as we know it. Our next destination is LHS 1140b, a fascinating planet located about 49 light-years away from us. LHS 1140b is a rocky super-Earth, about 7 times more massive than our planet, and it orbits a red dwarf star. Red dwarfs are known to release powerful flares that could be harmful to life. However, LHS 1140b has a few tricks up its sleeve. It orbits its star at a safe distance within the habitable zone, where temperatures could allow liquid water to exist. LHS 1140b is thought to have a dense atmosphere. This atmosphere could act as a protective shield, mitigating the effects of any stellar flares from its host star. The possibility of liquid water, combined with a potentially protective atmosphere, makes LHS 1140b a prime candidate for life. This proximity makes it a much easier target for future telescopes, which could potentially detect signs of life in its atmosphere. Let's journey now to Teegarden B, a planet orbiting the star Teegarden a mere 12 light-years away from us. Teegarden B is remarkably similar in size to Earth and orbits within its star's habitable zone. Teegarden B orbits much closer to its star than Earth does to the Sun. Teegarden is a much cooler star than our Sun. This means that even though Teegarden B orbits close in, it still receives a similar amount of energy as Earth does from the Sun, keeping it within that sweet spot for liquid water. Red dwarf stars have incredibly long lifespans. We're talking trillions of years, far longer than our Sun's projected 10 billion-year lifespan. This means that if life were to arise on Teegarden B, it would have ample time to evolve and flourish. Imagine a planet bathed in the gentle light of a long-lived star, with billions, even trillions of years ahead of it for life to evolve and thrive. Our final stop takes us to Kepler 22b, a planet located about 600 light-years away, a world that captures the imagination with the possibility of vast, planet-wide oceans. Kepler 22b is a super-Earth, significantly larger than our planet, and it orbits a star very similar to our Sun. It resides within the habitable zone, but here's where it gets really interesting. Scientists believe that Kepler 22b might be a water world. Imagine a planet where the land masses, if any exist at all, are dwarfed by enormous deep oceans that stretch as far as the eye can see. These oceans could hold many times more water than Earth's oceans combined, creating an environment that's potentially teeming with life. Such a world would be a paradise for aquatic life forms, perhaps even more diverse and wondrous than anything we find in Earth's oceans. Think of the possibilities. Creatures adapted to crushing depths, bioluminescent organisms lighting up the alien abyss, maybe even intelligent life forms communicating through intricate underwater signals. Exploring such a world would be a challenge, but the rewards could be immense, offering us a glimpse into a type of planetary environment unlike anything we've ever seen before. While Earth remains our perfect home for now, these planets remind us of the incredible potential the universe holds. Exploring them not only excites our imagination, but also teaches us more about what makes a planet truly habitable. What do you think? Could one of these planets become humanity's next home? Or might these planets already be home to civilizations far more advanced than our own? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other videos on space exploration. The search for new worlds continues.